Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. We have already started with HTML tutorials, and in this video we will be seeing the center tag, the HR tag, the bold tag, pre tag, NBSP, the U tag that is underline, and I that is italic. Okay, so let us start with center tag. In a web page, suppose you want to make the to display the text in center. Okay, something you want to centrify that in that situation you will be using the center tag. Suppose I want to display hello message in the center of the line. So let us see the output for this one. So as you can see, it is displayed in the center. Now I have written here HR tag, that is why it is showing the horizontal rule. Okay, and HR tag is not having a pair of closing tag. It is itself is a closing tag, and you have to write / after HR. Okay, not before, as I have highlighted it over here. You can see it. Now next one is bold tag. So whatever you write in bold will be displayed in bold. I'll show you an example. Suppose I'm writing how are you. Okay, this will be displayed in bold. I'll show you the output. So as you can see, the font of hello and how are you is different. Hello is a normal text and how are you is a bold. Now next one is pre. Okay, so whatever is written inside the pre tag will be preserved. The contents in the pre tag will be preserved with the parental formatting. Okay, here I have written bold in the body, but I don't want that bold to be affecting the text in the pre tag. So I'll show you the example. Here I have written I am fine. Okay, now let us see the output. So you can see the bold is not affecting the text I am fine. Okay, how are you is in the bold, and the the text in the pre is not formatted. Now next one is U tag. Okay, U that is underline. Before that I'll show you how to write NBSP, that is non-breaking spaces. Okay, so whenever the browser finds an NBSP, it gives the spaces in between. I'll show you one and write it in double quotes. Okay, and NBSP gives semicolon. Two and NBSP semicolon, then complete double quotes, then write, suppose I'm writing here 3. Okay, now let us run the code and see the output. You can recognize how it is giving spaces. At the space of NBSP it is giving a space. Okay, after 1 there is written 2, and after 2 there is a gap, and then 3. Now next is U tag, that is underline. So whatever you write between opening and closing U tags will be underlined. Suppose I write here hello again and run the code. So you can see the text hello with a underline. Now next is italic. Whatever text you write in between the italic tags, that is I, opening tag and closing tag, will be fonted in italic. So happy, I'll write twice. So you can just make it out that the font of the previous text and this tag is different. This text is different. Okay, So this was about these all tags. So today we learned center tag, horizontal rule, the bold tag, pre tag, and NBSP, underline tag, and italic tag. So hope to see you in upcoming videos. We'll be seeing the more content. Thank you.